What's up, everybody? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add your tokens into MetaMask wallet on Robinhood Chain. So let's say, for example, you purchase some kind of tokens and they are not appearing in your wallet. For example, in here, when you open it up, the only thing you see is your Ethereum. So for this video tutorial, I'm going to purchase some Cash Cat token. So in this case, I'm just going to buy 10 of them. I'm going to press on review and then swap and then press on confirm. Okay, looks like transaction is complete. And then once we go back to the MetaMask wallet, we open it up, we scroll down into tokens. The only thing we see is Ethereum. We don't see our Cash Cat token. So in this case, we need to find a contract address and add, or we can just search for it, but I think would be the easiest way to find a contract address. So in this case, we press on here, hover over Cash Cat, and then this is gonna appear. And then you just press on this copy button. This is gonna copy the contract address. And same thing you can do pretty much right here as well. If you go here, you can copy the contract address here. Is just for this video tutorial, I'm just showing you this way. Same thing if you're using, for example, OpenSea. In here, you press on this, copy the address. It's gonna copy the address. Then what we need to do, go back to your MetaMask wallet. In here, press on this three little dots, manage tokens. You can paste contract address here, or you can search for the name. If by some reason this is not gonna appear, the only thing you have to do is just toggle switch, and that's it, token is added. But if by some reason your token is not appearing here, you just add custom token, paste your address here, and it's gonna find which one it is, and then add a token, and that's it. Once we go back, we scroll down, we can see that Cash Cat was already added. It doesn't show the actual price, but it shows the amount. This is how much we hold of Cash Cat tokens in our wallet. And the same thing, let's do GameStop. I don't have any tokens, but we copy the address. We go back to the MetaMask, manage token. We can actually try to type right here, GameStop. However, what if it's not the real one? Then we can just paste the contract address and then toggle the switch, and that's it. Go back, and here you'll be able to see that GME. That's the same address we copied from here. However, I don't have GME token, so that's why my balance is still zero. And looks like the price refreshed right here. And this is pretty much it. That's how you add your either custom or just your tokens to MetaMask wallet on Robinhood Chain. Good luck to everybody, and thanks for watching.